Hi, today I'm going to be telling you about Coursiv. So, Coursiv or Coursiv.io is a website that is focused on AI for improving your financial growth, right? So, it's using AI so that you can boost your income, you can boost your job, achieve financial freedom, all of those stuff. Now, when I first signed up to this website, it first gave me a long quiz about telling me what do you want to achieve? How many hours do you have? What kind of work do you do? Do you have passive income? All of those stuff. And based off those quiz, they'll give you a plan that could help with your AI skills to boost your income, right? They give you a readiness skill here. AI is easier than you think, a lot of things like this. And basically, Cursive, it's a course that is really focused on how you can use AI to benefit yourself, to be able to get more financial freedom and to be able to get more jobs or make jobs easier, right? But of course, that they need to make money as well. So this is not free. This is a subscription plan like this, but you can see that it's pretty cheap, honestly. It's like $19, so it's about 71 cents per day. And in terms of whether it's cheap or not, then I could say it's cheap. Like 70 cents per day is not that much. If I click on get my plan here, you can see it'll just start with your PayPal, right? So you just pay. But in terms of how effective or how much it works, you have to do your own research first, right? Because courses are hit or miss, right? Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. Sometimes the knowledge they give you could be found easily on the internet without paying. But if you think this is what you need and you want to learn how AI works, there are other methods or avenues you can explore. But if you want this specific one, then I say go for it. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.